In this video, we will see a feature in Microsoft Excel known as Flash Fill. Here we have the names of people. The names are divided into first name, middle name, and last name. Our objective is to combine them into a full name. This we can achieve using the concat function in our formula. In the arguments, we will provide the cell reference of each part of the name, as well as a delimiter to separate them. Here in our example, we are concatenating the names as first name, then space as the delimiter, then the middle name, then space a delimiter, then the last name. And this formula will give us our desired result. Now we can apply this formula to the rest of the cells to get the full names. This process is quite time-consuming. Instead, there is another quicker way to get the same result. We will use the flash fill method. We will write the full name as we require, in the first cell. Then, we will click on the next cell. Then press the keys Ctrl plus E. This will automatically fill the rest of the full name cells. Ctrl plus E keys are shortcut keys to apply the flash fill. Flash fill automatically tries to apply the same pattern for the rest of the cells in the dataset. Note that the result column should belong to the same dataset and there must be a common pattern in the data. In our next example, we have the full names of the people in our dataset. Our objective is to split the full name into first name, middle name, and last name. We will do it for the first data. We will manually split it into its components. Now, we will use flash fill on each column. Pressing Ctrl plus E keys here gave us all the first names. Similarly, we will do the same to get all the middle names. Then do the same to get all the last names. Like this, using flash fill, we successfully split all the full names. The important thing is that all the full names in the dataset followed the same pattern or format of first name, middle name, and last name, separated by space as the delimiter. In our next example, we have all the numbers. We have dates split into days, months, and years in our dataset. We want to combine them into a complete date in the required format. We will fill in the first cell manually. Then, we will press the Ctrl plus E keys to apply the flash fill. Here we get all the dates in day, month, and year format. Here, in this column, we require the date in month, day, and year format with delimiter as a hyphen. If we choose the cell format as the date, and write dates with a hyphen, Excel automatically changes it to /. So, we will change the cell format to text, and then fill the first cell. Then apply the flash fill. We got the dates in the required format. In the next example, we have alphanumeric vehicle numbers in our dataset. We want to split the vehicle number into its components. So as seen before, we will fill in the first detail manually. Then, for each column, we will apply the flash fill. And quickly we are able to split the vehicle numbers. Note that this green arrow is just telling that these values are numbers and they are stored as text. We can ignore it for our example. Here also note that we were able to use the flash fill because vehicle numbers have a specific format. Hence flash fill was able to identify the pattern in data, and gave us the desired result. We can also find the flash fill button under the data menu. This is the flash fill icon. We can press it to apply the flash fill, instead of using the Ctrl plus E shortcut keys. In our next example, we have the names of people in the dataset. Suppose in this message column, we want to write the same message for all the people, but each message should have the corresponding person's name. We can write the message for one person, and then copy-paste the message for all. Then modify the name in each message. This will take some time. Or, we can use flash fill. Here is the first message we will write as we need. Then, we will apply the flash fill. We can see that each message has the corresponding person's name. Our task was completed quickly. So this is how we can use flash fill to complete some time-consuming tasks quicker. If you liked the information then, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time and patience. Have a nice day.